happy reviewing my free sample by OLEVS. This is the brand, and thank you for the sample. And this is the beautiful watch. So mine is a white pearl. It's like a white pearl, and it comes in a case. This is beautiful for a gift. It's beautiful for yourself if you like to match it with different outfits or even with your favorite jewelry. This is how it looks. So it's made of quartz. And I also like it because it's waterproof, so you don't have to worry about taking it off on and off when you're washing your hands. Comes with instructions. And one thing that I like is that you can move these around and fix it to the size of your wrist. So this is how beautiful it looks. It's so beautiful. It has a heart. So I actually like it for me, but if I was going to gift it, this makes a great present for anyone. I hope you enjoyed my review. I hope you check them out. They have different colors and they are so beautiful. Thank you for watching.